drink. 20 or no? Have you one drink? Have this also. I don't like it. Go, fruit. Give me a fruit. I feed you healthy stuff and you feed me bad stuff.
Could just be struggling here. Let's have a look. Bowled in. It's all over for India. Flintoff takes his shirt off.
Yeah, we threw it away, but it's an inexperienced side. I hope the boys learn from it and hope to improve.
And he's after it. It was only a matter of time. It's onto the roof and over the roof. Just had a feeling that it was only a matter of time, Sanjay. Well, he's almost swung himself off his feet there. Now, I wonder if that same person is still out there, because that's gone a little further. Over the top.
Well, he makes the decisions with the spinners. Which one's got to go, which one's got to be defended. This was outside the off stump.
Well, down the wicket he goes. This is high in the air. That's going all the way. Don't worry about chasing that one. Oh, a biggie. Onto the roof of the newsstand. That's a lovely shot from Ganguly. He's been playing second fiddle out here, but that's almost as good as they come.
Well, it certainly has gone a long way. Saurabh Ganguly. I've said it in the past that it doesn't look as if he's hitting the ball very hard, but he times it so well. Just a couple of chips down the wicket, right in the slot, and away it goes.
Yes, interesting to watch how he kept his eye on the ball there and his head down all the way. That wasn't a slog, that was a calculated shot. He watched the ball all the way onto his bat and then he let it rip. Well, at least they can still smile as Zimbabweans. They've had a very good tournament, there's no doubt about that. They've played pretty well, got themselves to their first final. Here's another look at that six. Way over the top and ended up landing on the roof. And oops, just rolled over the back, and I think that's the end of that ball. So Saurabh Ganguly on 46. And off he goes again. That's gone the same place. That's also over the top and on the roof. Beautiful shot. 2 out of 2. Almost exactly the same place. Watch out. Saxon, I'm after you.
Grant Flower is not a regular bowler, and he must be very unhappy now that his captain has given him the ball to bowl. That too has disappeared. Similar shot. Landing pretty much the same place, on the roof and then rolling behind. What a way to get to your half century. That's 52 now for Saurabh Ganguly. It took him 79 deliveries.
Right, well, the little man's been out there with the ball again, and so 2 have been lost this over. We're now on our 3rd ball this over. There's 22 to get. That's it, that's another one, that's a big hit, all the way up the roof again. Oh, he loves that roof, he loves that roof. That's 3 on the roof, 3 lost balls. That's going to be called Ganguly's roof.
I think he has shares in the company that made that roof.
I think we'll see a lot more of this. That's big. And that's another one for the river. That's over the pavilion as well, I think. Oh no, just clip the roof and into a crowd of joyous. Straight again. Another six. Tell you, it is a short boundary straight, but that's hit with immense power. Flat and into the stand.
Clean bowled him. Ganguly will enjoy that, believe me. He's jumped.
There's a high ball, there's two out there. Should be out. Is out.
Ganguly will enjoy that, believe me. He's jumping around.
It was a noble effort by Zimbabwe, but they ended up falling short. 230.
It's a long way from anything else but bat. So if Ganguly has got away with it, it certainly would have been called a walk. It looks that both pitches may have been relayed. Oh, well, that's beautifully done. So if Ganguly has once again... That will be... Surya Ganguly has done the trick. 7 for 100.
Nick and got him. Caught slip, beautifully done. Well, that was well pitched up once again.
Should be out. Tenduka's got it. Now Ganguly, I think he's having...
Oh, there's a man at the cover point. Basadi should get this. He's coming around. Yes, he does. For 41. That's a big wicket for him.
Now a man coming under it. The catch is taken. This was... It says out. The third bowling short. They're bowling to his strength. This could be an opportunity for the Indians. There's a man coming underneath and he pouches that one. Safe as houses, Mohammad Khan.
Edged. There's no doubt about that one.
There's the big one. He's gone over the top. This may well be out. Harbhajan Singh underneath. And he's taken it. Very, very good catch. Ganguly absolutely delighted. He knows. A full shot. That's gone in the air and that's out. Well, well, well. 2 wickets in 2 deliveries for the Indian captain.
It's up in the air. It's gone high. Catchable. There's a fielder getting under that one. Takes it comfortably. Dinesh Monga is the man in the deep. Saurav Ganguly has picked up his third wicket.
The bat had blazed, and now with the ball, the Prince of Kolkata was bamboozling the hapless Lankans.
Just given the bowler a second wicket, I think Ganguly will be the first to admit that this... Got him. Saurav Ganguly goes very straight. Always difficult to hit him across the line.
Fittingly, it was Saurav Ganguly who delivered the death blow.
So Lakshmi...
That's gone. He's picked the man in the deep.
91 for 3.
It's bowled in. Second wicket for Saurav Ganguly.
Oh, he's bowled in all over the place. Good night, Carlisle. Not before time.
134 for 5.
Oh, and there we go. That's got to be out. Big catch. Give it in. Caught behind. Inside edge. Good catch.
So Agarkar picking up a wicket now. Ganguly continuing. He's picked up his fifth. Travis Trent to an end. India needing 106.
Saurav Ganguly decided to make it his own.
That's pretty good, that. Slow ball from Ganguly. He's used it well. In the air, another wicket here. Nothing wrong there. It's in the air. The man is under it. He's searching for it, and he gets it.
The batsman can't believe it. The bowler doesn't mind at all. Wicket number 4 for Saurav Ganguly. Goodbye, Moin Khan.
Down the ground, into the fielder's lap, and that's all over.
Big shout, he's given in. So Ganguly picks up his second wicket. Chris Gayle has got... Well, my first impression was, without the replay, that was out. But he played just a little bit across his path. Ball pitching on, would have hit middle, yeah. It's across the pad, you see. Didn't really play it straight towards the mid-off or towards the...
He's up against a batsman who's in deadly form and eyeing a double 100.
Equal with Richards, he is at number 2. Oh, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone! Oh no, he's gone!